What's going on, folks? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Behind us is something very unique. Take a look. Up on the lift is a 1995 Nissan 240SX. This is a full factory kooky car. You can see by all the kooky bits. But the car has an LQ9 swap, so it's LS swapped up front, 6 liter. And we're going to be using this to do some drifting and some other fun adventures. But the big thing is the car had an HKS high power exhaust on it before, of which we removed and installed our Universal Valved Muffler. Now this is the perfect setup for all you guys who like to have drift cars, but also street drive them, and also make sure that you're not getting in trouble with the local authorities. Universal Muffler here is 3-inch. Obviously you have your open and closed operation of the valves, and this is perfect for 350Zs, 370Zs, Infinities, BRZs, any drift car that you may have, because it allows you to have that flexibility on your fun car that you use on occasion. You maybe go to the track with it, but you got to have the valves closed on the street, otherwise you will get in trouble. One of our most important developments with this project is making sure that the diversion pipes is all 3-inch. So even when the valves are closed, you can still run on the track, drift around with the valves closed, and have no issues with power. Other people out there have small diversion pipes, and that can create a lot of bad back pressure and also can lead to engine failure. But Valvetronic, we've been engineering these for a long time now, so you're never going to have a problem with that. Everything's T304 stainless, everything's engineered to last. The vacuum valves here are pneumatic to give you that perfect experience. And this truly is the perfect option. That doesn't sound so good. This really is the perfect option for anybody who's got a JDM car who wants to build the perfect exhaust and have that controllability. Nothing else like it out there. Valvetronic.com, you guys know where to get your muffler setups. So we're gonna finish up the install here, get everything tacked up, fully welded up, put the car on the ground, and we'll show you guys what the perfect exhaust for your JDM car looks like. Alright guys, so we're going to show you the rest of the install process on this S14 for how the valve muffler system works. In the trunk here, I've used my pocket knife here and I've made a little cut in this grommet. So we're going to take our vacuum line and just force it through. And then on the underside of the car, we can grab it and pull the vacuum line through. We're going to attach it up to our Universal Valved Muffler. And then from there, plug in the power wire, and we'll be in good shape to have a valve drift car. With our vacuum box here, what we'll do is we'll put some double-sided tape on the back, and we'll seat it down here in the spare tire area, so it'll be easily accessible, but also hidden out of the way for when the trunk is closed and the trunk liner is in. S14 right now, and you can hear, apart from the drivetrain noise, it's actually not that loud in here. Even on a downshift, it's not incredibly loud. One of the biggest reasons that people love the Universal Muffler kit is because cars are dual purpose, right? If you have only one car, you've got your drift car or whatever you want to drive around in, it's so much nicer to have both sound levels because you can pick how aggressive you want the car to be at any time. So right now, we're letting the car warm up. We're in this busy neighborhood area. No one wants to hear this. And once I open it up, with one click here, you can even hear in the cabin, it gets really aggressive in here. And that's, so much fun for ripping down your favorite back road or going to your drift day or whatever you want to do with the car. Having that valve capability allows you to have the unparalleled flexibility. Whatever circumstance you be in, you've got the perfect sound to enjoy, regardless of whatever your position may be in. So whether you have a 350Z that you're modifying for drifting, or you have some other JDM project, you have an older muscle car, close it right now so you can hear me a little bit better. Having no compromise is such an important part of the driving experience, and having that perfect sound on the fly, there's nothing else like it. What's up with the old people? Close the valves? Who was that who drove by? I have no idea. Again, in the car, we've just gone for a rip around. The car sounds phenomenal still, but it's nice and docile in here so that you want to have your fun but not get in trouble. This is the best way to do it. Have the valves closed. You still get good induction noise, you still get a good sound, but it's not that aggressive so that people don't hate you. We don't want people to hate us. That's the Valvetronic way.